Hi. So now let us see very important key, that is foreign key. Okay. So it is very simple actually for understanding foreign. So that means when you can say foreigner. Okay. So if he is not in a native place, he is a foreigner for that place actually, right? So if any outside country person came to India, in India, he is the foreigner. So if Indian went to the USA, in the USA, Indian is the foreigner, right? Simple. He's a native, his origin is at somewhere, and you are roaming in some other where. So very simple understanding that you can see foreign keys are the columns of the table, which is used to point to the primary key of another table actually. So in very simple manner, let us try to understand with a simple example. So you can take this employee table. So here we have a employee number, e-name, manager, DEPT number. So here EMP number is the primary key. So let it be. Then we have another table, department number, department table. In the department table, department number, department name, and location we have. So this is the primary key. If you observe, this attribute is also there in the employee table. So Ravi is working under which department? So take that number 10, go to the department table, find out here, he is working under accounts department. So you see here, this is the primary key in the department table. This information, you are referring this information here actually, you are using here. So this value you are referring from here. So that is what actually 10 or 20, 10, 30, 20, all these values are the foreign values. Their native is not in this table actually. Their native is in the department table, simple understanding. So that is why department number is going to become foreign key in an employee table. That attribute in the department table is the primary key. So that is what primary key of another table. Primary key of another table we are using in some other table actually. Sometimes in the same table you can use it. That is not a matter. So you can see here. So this is one simple understanding first of all. So what is foreign key? Foreign key, you are going to use the values which is the primary key in another table actually. So that is what these values you are using here. So Krishna working under which department? So take it's a department number, go to the department table, here 30 is the research. So Krishna is working under research department. So simply we can say. Okay, so that is what actually here, if you see the relation, department table have DEPT number, D name location, and employee number, E name manager, DEPT number. Actually, one simple discussion is there here. Who is the parent? Who is the child? That means parent table is what? Child table is what? Okay. So here the parent table is this one. From here, this is the source actually. This is actual source. Or for these values, this is the native. So that is why department is going to become parent table. And these values you are using here. So these values are foreign values actually, not here. That is why employee is going to become child table. So this department number, wherever it is existed, in which table existed, that table is going to become parent table. Very simple. So this is one simple discussion. So as we discussed that primary key values, see, it is need not be primary key always. So candidate key values also you can use as foreign key values actually. So in this table, if you have a one candidate key, another candidate key, that you can use in another table as a foreign key. And primary key and foreign key both may exist in the same table also. Here we discussed in different tables. But you can see here employee number and manager. So manager, so who is the manager for John? So 101 employee. Who is 101? Ravi actually. So for the John, manager is Ravi. And who is the manager for Ravi? So another Ravi. So names are same, but a person is different because employee number is different. So for this Ravi, who is the manager? One or two. One or two who actually John. So for the Ravi, John is the manager. And for the John, who is the manager? Krishna is the manager. So here these two names are repeated, but the persons are different. So that is what try to understand first of all clearly. So here main thing is what is foreign key. So foreign under foreign key attribute, we are going to use the values. Those are the unique values in some other table or same table. Okay, so you are going to refer wherever that is the candidate key. So department number here foreign key, and this is going to become candidate key. That is nothing but of course in this case primary key actually. So this is what foreign key in many places we are going to use. Let us try to understand very clearly. Okay.